Today we're going to use the Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer. It's all surface, all purpose cleaner. Cleans, protects, removes dirt and dust, dashboards, door panels, and steering wheels. According to Chemical Guys' video on this, you can use it on navigation screens and stuff like that. You know, you always want to spray the towel first, never the surface, especially on interior stuff, so you don't get overspray everywhere. So we're gonna turn this on, make sure it's there. Oh, definitely don't want stream. Spray, there we go. All right, so I got two different towels. Got a yellow one that I'm going to use to apply the product. It smells really nice, almost like a tropical scent. So here's my dash. So we're gonna just wipe it down. Okay, now that we got it on there, you can see the difference already. Let's go ahead and give this a good dry. And so for those of you who are watching on this, so on this separate towel, I use the reverse side, where the thread's hanging out, rather than the thinner side here. The reason why is there was a video, I want to say it was Scott's detailing channel, where he talked about it. It might have even been Pan the Organizer, I'm not quite sure, but he talked about how having it on this side would be good to remove the excess and stuff. So here we go. There's a before and after. And that's Chemical Guys Inner Clean. Smells really good. Makes the interior smell really nice too. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, and hopefully it won't take me so long to do another one.